Using a Bybit virtual card is straightforward and convenient for online transactions. Here's how to make the most of it. Access the virtual card. Log into your Bybit account via the website or mobile app. Navigate to the Finance or Wallet section where your virtual card is displayed. Fund your card. Ensure your virtual card has sufficient balance. You can add funds from your Bybit wallet or link bank accounts to maintain a balance for transactions. Used for online purchases. When shopping online, select the option to pay with a credit or debit card at checkout. Enter your Bybit virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Track transactions. After making purchases, you can track your transaction history directly in your Bybit account under the virtual card section. This feature helps you manage your spending. Security measures. For added security, consider enabling any available features, such as transaction alerts or spending limits, to protect your funds.